What's up? Here with Chaz Ortiz at RSVP Gallery, professional skater, and today we're unboxing the off-white Nike Dunk Low. Let's get to it. So I started skating when I was about 6 years old here in Chicago. I just fell in love with it right away. Just been doing it ever since, turned pro when I was about 15 years old. You know, moved to California, but obviously Chicago's home. Just been trying to hold it down here. You know, I grew up actually skating in like Air Force Ones. I was getting Nike for a while and skating in other dunks, the Lobsters, and I would get all these exclusive dunks, but at the time it wasn't as big as it is now. The dunk was released in 1985 for all the top colleges in different colorways. And then you got the Jordan 1 that came next. And we all know, you know, Lance Mountain skated that shoe, very iconic for skateboard history. I feel like a lot of shoes weren't meant to be skated back then. That's how far back skateboarding goes, which is amazing that, you know, there's so much history behind the shoe and skating. So, makes sense. So in 2001, Sandy Bodecker pretty much took the dunk, made it an SB. For skaters, you know, the technology in it, either if it's suede, more cushion, you know, because us skaters, we're pretty picky about shoes. We need that board feel. We need everything to be there in the shoe. You know, they've done collaborations with Zoo York, Supreme, Chocolate. That was cool because I rode for Zoo York for many, many years, and you know, it's a really iconic brand in New York. So I grew up in New York as well as Chicago, you know, just being around the scene and everything. Yeah, now we're sitting here today with the off-white joints. It's Pete. As you can see, you got the big swoosh here. You got a dope, shiny silver box, real unique. Then you got the holes, like in all the off-white Nike collabs, which is dope. Open them up. You got the yellow off-white paper. You got your standard white paper. Boom. Damn, these are sick. We got the white green colorway, the gray and red, and the yellow and blue. But they all have the same neon orange lacing system. And you know, it's unique. I feel like that's the only really thing different from like the silhouette. You know, there's not too much that's different. I mean, you got the classic OG Nike logo. You got the exposed foam, like all the other collabs. Then pretty much, you know, you got your standard dunk. The lacing system's different, obviously. Same sole, looks like. You got the grip here, which I look for, even if I wanted to skate this shoe. The leather is really soft. It's really important for that, I feel like, with skating, because you know, you don't want the hard leather. It takes forever to break in, and it's just not a good time. You know, you skate one day and you're kind of over the shoe, but these I feel like definitely will break in quick, so that's always good. The insole here is the same as the tissue paper that's in the inside of the box. You know, you got the classic, you know, shoelaces on the shoelaces. The zip tie tag, the off-white stamp here, classic. I mean, it looks great, feels great. It's lighter than I expected it to be. Yeah, I don't know how this lacing system is gonna skate, but we're definitely gonna find out. What I look for in a skate shoe is pretty much, you know, the leather quality, how soft it is, how kind of flexible it is. You know, you want that good board feel, you want a good sole. Definitely you want to feel your board, that's important. I've skated a lot of shoes when I was younger that I don't even know how I skated them because the sole was so huge, but that's what we had to work with at that time. You know, especially with skateboarding and fashion nowadays, it's a big thing, and I feel like they go, you know, hand to hand. So if I get my hands on a pair of shoes, I'm just gonna skate them, and then I might keep them and, you know, just keep them in the archives. That's pretty much it. You know, I'm a skateboarder, so I skate my shoes. I'm gonna throw these shoes on right now, and I'm gonna go skate them. Let's get to it. got done skating the shoes. You can see the tag and the laces weren't the best for skating, but all around amazing, and they're super comfy. This is the damage done. I mean, all around the shoe held up really good. It's super comfortable. It didn't hurt my feet at all. Like, the arch support in here is great. The insole is amazing. I had no complaints on comfortability. The leather is soft, which makes it very easy to grip your board and flick really well. You could tell that the lace holder ripped off pretty easy. It's kind of like in a prime spot. This shoe's still holding in. I didn't really do any switch flips or switch tricks. Just a little wear here. The only thing is I took these off. My board was, you know, gripping it, and I could kind of feel it when I was doing flip tricks. The tag, you know, it looks cool. I think it's dope. If I was just rocking them, I'd definitely keep it on. You could see right here, I mean, from the grip tape, it just kept hitting it, kind of messing up my backside flip when I was trying it. Other than that, shoe held up great. Wear your shoes, kids. That's what they're there for. Thanks for watching RSVP Gallery Unboxing with me, Chaz Ortiz. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff, and stay tuned to the next one. I'm out. Peace.